has gotten faster and faster and faster over the years, Les. And I tell you, right here at COTA, he's been putting out some of the best lap times we've seen out of him.
Absolutely. You're going to notice also car number 60, truck number 60, Travis McCoy. He's been here recently playing around in the rallycross competition, but he's jumped in on this.
There's McCoy right there, number 60, having a good battle with Jeff Hoffman. Two of them back and forth. As you mentioned, Picoy, a couple years ago, he raced at the right age, I think 13. And B, you could throw a blanket over the top of the four of those right now.
Absolutely. Great turnout, great running here with these guys. Appreciate the entire fleet being out. This is a fantastic series. Pretty much everybody is evenly matched.
Off into the inside hard, gets into Picoy with some authority. That was a major aggressive move right there.